Ladies and gentlemen that have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I'm into big technology and Xbox and all the other kind of gadgets that you can have with terabytes of storage space, hard drives, computers being built, and all the above to equate to video cards and everything else. Recently I wanted to get into 3D printing, and I'll tell you that it wasn't an easy chore. I began with buying my son's 3D printer, which was an Elugu, I think that's how you say it, 3. And so it has a big bed, and you know, he had a lot of success with it as he built things with it, such as the Mandalorian costumes and the helmets and the many things that he's done with it. Inspiring. However, I will say that as I bought it and as I did things with it, unfortunately, it just kept giving me strings and strings of filament and threw things off the bed, and you know, just not a great experience for me. Now I will tell you that with that, I decided that I was going to get into a different 3D printer. Introduce to you the Bambu X1 Carbon. Now this printer is a little bit bigger, a little bit faster, a lot of it faster, and of course more expensive. However, I will tell you that so far I have not had an issue with this. It has many ways that you can adjust it and put your filament into it, and these are the prints so far that I have done with it. A nice little settler's house for Christmas. One of these little cool gadgets that does a flexi, and it was as easy as, hey, push print, and here it is. I've also done one of these 3D dragons, and very, very cool stuff. And another flexi transformer, a Megatron, that does the same thing. Now with these, I have to tell you that this, the best 3D printer that you can get for 2024 in your stores today. It's an amazing print. It took about 15-20 minutes to set up, get all the packaging out of it, and get everything going. However, from there and on out, it's actually been very amazing. Very impressed, and they get my recommendation. A good 2 thumbs up.